One of the features of the QE tool is obtaining monitoring logs. To reproduce the monitoring and review the data, you can save monitoring log data in the CSV format. Open the CapTouch board Monitor QE view to use the monitoring log feature. First, we will go over how to obtain the monitoring logs. To begin monitoring, click the Enable Monitoring button. To begin logging, click the Record Monitoring Log of Touch Sensors to File button. To stop logging, click the Stop Playing Recording Log button. To save the monitoring log to a file, enter a file name. Next, we will go over how to play back the monitoring log. To stop monitoring, click the Enable Monitoring button. Click the Play Monitoring Log of Touch Sensors with File button and select the saved log file. The monitoring log will be played. The log will not be played if the correct project and touch interface configuration are not selected in the workflow view. Finally, we will show you how to convert the log file to the CSV format. Select Convert Log File to CSV format from the menu. Select the desired log file. The CSV file will be saved in the same folder as the log file. The conversion will fail if the correct project and touch interface configuration are not selected in the workflow view. You can check monitoring log data with detailed values.